All right. Good morning. Good morning, beautiful people. Is it still morning? Yes, it is. It is still morning here. Want to talk to you face to face and heart to heart this morning. Not going to be too long, but I want to put something in your ear, okay? I need you to focus. I need you to focus with me in 2020, okay? I need you to focus. I need you to pay attention. All right. And I also want to warn you this year to be careful who you follow. Be careful who you follow in 2020. Okay. Now, what I mean by that is be careful who you give your time to in the entrepreneurship space. Very, very important. Okay. Before I start talking, I'm going to show you. I'm doing a couple of things at once. I'm trading as well. You guys know I trade. Check that out. That is nice. Yes. You want to get in trading, guys, this year. Okay. You want to get in trading this year. It is a must. It is imperative. No other way. There's no other way to multiply your money. You tell me. If you got money in the bank right now, is it making you money? Absolutely not. Every day in Forex, guys, with the proper guidance and skill, you can make money. Think about that. Okay? Think about that. We can actually beat the banks every single day. The banks are doing it. Why not you? Okay, I just wanted to show you that real quick. But that's not what this video is about. About 2 weeks ago, I did a video laying out a 5-step plan. Okay? A 5-step plan that is going to put money in your pocket, not just immediately, but for long term. Not just long term, but for generations to come. 5-step plan. If you guys want that video, just let me know. I'll send it to you. But I want you to also, that's the reason I said be careful who you follow this year, because there's a lot of information out there, guys. I mean, let's be real. It's easy to get overloaded with a lot of information, especially a lot of business opportunities. You don't know you don't know who to join. You don't know who to follow. You don't know, is this person really real, right? Is this person really real that I'm looking at or listening to? Right? So you got to be careful. Here's what I want you to look for. Here's an indication of what to look for and who to follow in 2020. Number one, if they are not giving you a step-by-step plan of action, all right, which I'm giving you a step-by-step plan of action. You guys know that I do that. Then don't waste your time. Okay, if they're not giving you a step-by-step plan of action, telling you, okay, do this and do that, you're wasting your time. If they're trying to get you into their program, hey, join me now. Join me now. I need you to join me. Join my program. If they come off as desperate, don't waste your time. Okay, don't waste your time. I'm going to show you, and I'm showing people this every day. I'm showing you in my 5-step plan. First of all, I'm showing you how to get money, how to get funding for your business. That's number one. Okay? Everyone in business needs funding. Everyone in business needs capital. All right? Now, maybe you have money just sitting around that you don't need, right? If that's you, then you don't need funding. But 90+% of people watching right now, okay, you guys need capital to run your business. It is a fact. So that is where I come in to help you get funding. Okay, number two, if you're working a regular job, I'm going to show you how to put more money on your paycheck every single month. More money on your paycheck every single month while helping you boost your credit score and helping you do some other things on the back end. Okay, different company, but the benefits are very, very good. This is also along with helping you get funding. So what I do in a nutshell, the first 2 steps are critical in my 5-step plan. The first 2 steps is going to put money in your pocket. Now, if whoever you decide to follow or look at, or you've been following or you're looking at and you're trying to decide whether to join them or not, ask them this. Ask them, before you join them, ask them, can you put money in my pocket within 90 days? Ask them, can you put money without me doing anything, without me marketing, without me talking to anyone? Can you put money in my pocket within 90 days? In other words, can you help me make passive income within 90 days? If they tell you, well, it doesn't work that way, no, don't follow them, okay? I'm going to show you how to get money in your pocket within 90 days. All right? I'm going to show you how to get money in your pocket within 90 days, and I'm going to show you how to snowball that money into more profits as time goes on. It's a linear scale. It's a linear scale that we follow. And yes, Forex trading is one of the steps. But you can't trade Forex if you want to really make a dent in Forex. You want to really make good money in Forex. Well, you got to put a nice little chunk in your account. Now, there's people who's starting with a certain amount of money in Forex, $500, $1,000, and they're growing their money. Great, you can do that. But there's a lot of people out there that want to eventually start making those big dividends in Forex. You got to have a nice size account to do that. Otherwise, you'll blow your account. So the idea of funding and the idea of me helping you increase your cash flow is so that you can have a faucet of money coming in. That way you can leverage that money to make even more money. See, we want to do this as soon as possible. We want to start to multiply your money within 90 days. That's the goal. Within a 90-day span. Okay? So, again, be careful who you follow. Pay attention. And I need you to focus. Focus with me. Okay? I'm giving you guys every single thing you need to be successful in 2020. I've studied this stuff upside down. I've been around the block over 10 years. Okay? 10 years of experience. And going into the new year, I said there's something different that I must bring to the masses. I can't just bring another business opportunity. How many business opportunities do you see pop up every day? Okay? How many business opportunities do you see pop up every day? There may be another one. There's tons that start up every single day. Let me just clue you in on something. You don't need another business opportunity. Okay? You don't need another business opportunity. You know what you need? You need a plan. Right? Because you've joined hundreds of business opportunities maybe in your career. And you keep jumping from program to program to program, thinking this is going to be the lottery ticket. It doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. So what you're missing is a plan, right? Is anyone resonating with me here? Do you understand what I'm saying here? You need a plan, not another business opportunity. When you have a step-by-step plan, now you can see clearly where you're going, right? You can see clearly where you want to go and where you need to be. Okay, this is step. So Ontarian told me to go get funding, start my funding process so I can start to get money in my pocket, right? So I can leverage that money to make more money. And then he told me to go join this company so I can increase my credit score so that I can also bring more money back into my household every month within 30 days. We have many testimonials of people which you will hear about doing that. As a matter of fact, I'm not even going to I'm just going to show you. You guys, I don't think you guys believe me. Undeniable proof, guys. I'm going to show you undeniable proof. If I can type it in here, we'll get there. All right, here we go. Undeniable proof. Check this out. All right, let me turn my camera around. Check this out. All right, these are testimonials, guys. All right, this is last year, but that's okay. I'm going to show you some updated stuff too. Look at this. He said, "Hi, my name is Rashad Harvey. I work as an admissions counselor for several prestigious schools, including Harvard. I joined MWR as a QFC September 7th, and within 30 minutes, I had everything set up and my appointment set up. Due to my job paying only twice monthly, I didn't get a chance to see my instant pay raise. Well, last Friday, I had checked in my bank account, and boom, the instant pay raise was reflected." This guy got an instant pay raise because of the company that I'm talking about, one of the companies that's going to help put money in your pocket. Look at this. This is a screenshot. Look, $364 monthly increase. Can you spare to use an extra $364 or more monthly on your paycheck? Would that hurt you? That's what I call free money. Guys, I'm telling you the truth. Check this out. Here we go. We got some up-to-date stuff here. December 18, 2019. Nathan said, MWR brought my credit up from 458 to 615 in 2 months. In my second month, it jumped from 92 points. Look at that. Look. Undeniable proof. I'm going to keep going. Derek Casey, my man, right here. For years, my credit has been in the low 400s to the high 500s, but I've never seen my score cross the 600 mark. Look at this. Right? I can go on and on. Let's go to another one. Edna said, so grateful to MWR Financial for showing me how to get an instant pay raise of $600. Thank you, God, for surplus. Yes. Okay. Guys, I can go on and on. One more. Okay. So MWR Financial plus better financial decision equals a steadily increasing credit score. Just found out I passed. Check it out. I passed the 750s this morning. That was on December 31st, guys, a few days ago. Wow. Huh. Do you see what I mean? Do you see what I mean? Okay. I had to show you that because maybe some of you watching, you're like, oh, this guy is blowing smoke. You can't deny proof. You can't deny proof. All right. I got 2 clients right now that's going to be getting funding very, very fast here recently. You're going to be hearing from them soon. Okay. They inboxed me actually the other day. I am helping people with a plan. Whoever you're joining, are they helping you with a plan? Are they helping you put money in your pocket? Are they helping you increase your credit score? Are they helping you increase your cash flow at your job? If they are not doing one of both, because that's just 2 steps in my plan, you're wasting your time. If they're just trying to hand you another business opportunity, look, join me in business. You're wasting your time. You've already done that before. What's the definition of insanity? Doing the same thing over and over again, expecting different results. It's insane. Again, you don't need a business. You don't need another business. You need a plan. You need a plan of action. So I am here as your mentor, as your guide to help you down that road in 2020. We're still in the new year, guys. We're still fresh in the new year. We're not even halfway in. And it's not too late to make a decision. It's never too late to make a decision. All right? So get with me. Let's come up with a plan. And I already have one written out for you, but maybe you have something a little different you want to add to the mix. That's okay. Let me show you how to create that snowball effect in 2020. Okay? P.S. And by the way, my new postcard program is set to come out at the end of this month. You definitely want to get in that. That's part of the 5-step plan. And it's going to be dynamic, okay? I can guarantee you it's going to make a very loud noise on the internet. So you want to be one of the first ones to get in, okay? And you want to hear more about that. So now is the time to make a decision, an educated decision on what you want to do financially in 2020. Follow the plan, pay attention, stay focused, and things will start to happen for you, okay? So that's what I'm talking about. What's up, Carl? The truth will set you free and put money. Amen, brother. That's right. What's up, Victor? What's up, Jeff, my man? Yes, sir. KC making 1 or 2% per day on his money. He understands multiplying his money. He understands compound interest. Guys, hop on the train. Let's beat the banks. Let's create our own economy, which is imperative, by the way, in the new year and for many years to come, because jobs are becoming obsolete. Robots and technology is taking over. Your job is not secure. I don't care what job, or I don't care what line of work you're in. There's no such thing as job security. Every day I'm hearing stories that I'm sick and tired. Every single day. Ontario, I'm sick and tired of this. I'm sick and tired of going to work 7 days a week, 6 days a week, and I'm tired when I get off. Let's do something about it then. Stop talking about it and let's do. You know the formula. Be plus do equals half. Write that down. Be plus do equals half. Let's make it happen, guys. All right? The name of the game is to become your own bank. That's right. That's exactly right. Become your own bank, guys. All right? Derek Casey, what's up, my man? So, guys, get with me. Let's make it happen. Let me help you. Again, the first 2 critical steps. Let us help you increase your credit score, along with helping you put more money back in your bank account. Okay? That is passive income. That is called free money. If you don't want free money, then I don't know what's wrong with you. If you're working a job in the United States of America, you need to be in my inbox right now so that I can help you get free money back in your pocket. And then at the same time, I'm going to put you on the funding plan to where we can help you get other people's money to leverage this year so that you can make even more money and quit your job. How about that? Again, if no other entrepreneur is giving you those steps, you're wasting your precious time. So let's make it happen. Book a time on my website today, prodigymarketingonline.com. You can inbox me. You know, my calendar is filling up every single day. People are starting to see what I have to offer. They're starting to see that I have a plan of action for them, and they're booking on my calendar daily. So the question is, are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. So guys, thanks for watching. Let me show you. Oh man, this trade. Look at this trade. Ooh, yeah, that's what I wanted to happen right there. I wanted the price to come down below this 50 MA, and I think we're going to run. This is the hour chart. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. This is US 30. Look at that. Beautiful. Got the big arrow. Yeah, buddy, we're going to be dropping here. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, learn this skill, okay? Learn this skill. This is a part of the 5-step plan. You got to learn this skill, okay? It's not hard. It's not hard. All right, Edward. Edward said he's tired. Edward, I'm here for you, man. I'm here for you, bro. But you got to make the decision. I'm just a voice out there. I'm just a messenger. The messenger is the one that gives you insight. I help you to create your own vision, but I can't do it for you, unfortunately. I wish I could, but I can't. Everyone has to do it for themselves. So whenever you're ready, Edward, we can make it happen, man. Get in my inbox, and I'll tell you exactly what you got to do. Okay? So, guys, thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your Friday. Talk to you soon. God bless.